Welcome, welcome, guys. Sorry, I was muted. Let's take a look over here. Down a little bit more.
Stop, Max.
Sup. Oh, GA just flipped. Nice. Let's take a look at this news. Yeah, so Asian session, as I said there, would have been quite nice. Sells below there. I think I would have taken a sell there. That one. I think probably would have taken that one. So very nice, very nice. Okay, still continuing down. Great. Take a look on the daily time frame. The issue I have now is it's coming towards this level where it could start to have a little trouble. So I'm just gonna have to wait for some resistance to form later on. Unfortunately, but these things happen, you know. I can't trade all times of the day. I'm not fucking looking at Asian and 5 o'clock every day, because normally on average they don't move like shit like that. So yeah, Asian, however, sorry, not Asian, AUD JPY looks clean, so I'm gonna focus on this, I think. So let's do AUD JPY. Good morning. So AUD JPY right now, daily is bearish. The last one closed bearish as well, so very nice. The 4-hour time frame, bearish. Right, I'll meet you. Okay. 4-hour time frame, bearish, breaking the low of the previous candle, so should continue down. Where should it continue down to? Well, on the 4-hour time frame, it would be there, right? That's looking like the easiest part. The hourly right now is already breaking the low of the previous. Take a look at the 15. Yeah, that's kind of nice. How much is the stops there? Okay, 16 pips in the previous, so kind of beefy stops right now. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame on the other side. Let's take a little look. Okay, so there's a little minor thing here. Minor little support there. Below there looks pretty clean, so it could be nice to continue down later on. Getting in now, I mean, you could do. There's a 16 pip stop on the previous 30 and the previous 15, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you guys, you got two things, right? You either risk taking a sell on the low and hoping it drives down, or you wait for a retracement. Okay, it's kind of up to you. For me, GJ, I need a pull up, right? Because if I got in there, yeah, 20 pip stops, damn. I'm gonna have to wait for a little bit of a retracement, I feel. So hopefully you're a little retracement, like back up here, somewhere in that area. Make some resistance in this area, then to ride it back down, hopefully. But if not, yeah, I gotta wait. Hi mate, wish me luck today. I have my A-level exam today. Oh wow, good luck. Looking like gold, yeah, looking like gold is okay. I think sells below 1847 are going to be nice to continue back down. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I'm not going to change much because it hasn't moved much really. But the 4-hour time frame bearish, already broken the lows. This hourly candle is making a top wick. Can you see here? To then potentially continue down, which would be kind of nice. Yeah. How much should stops be right now? 15 pips, the 30 pip gain, kind of nice. Only issue is the 15 is bullish, right? Some of us already took some good trades this morning on GJ and AJ. Nice. Earlier on, very nice. I mean, like on these candles. That was 545, so that one I would have taken. But apart from that, I don't know about these. Maybe that'll push. I mean, any break in lows, you're still probably good. So very nice. Yeah, I'm liking AJ a little bit more because the zone is clean. zone is kind of clean, so you just gotta find a way to get in. When it's already starting to push, you gotta either wait for a retracement or just hold your nuts and try and get in. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this gold because I have a feeling this is gonna continue back down. Have you seen crypto again? Oh my god! Oh my god! Just keeps on.
Bad, 26K.
Yeah. XRP, the one
Imagine you didn't sell.
I know. XRP, the one that I got out of, like quite a heavy holding. I got out at 53 pence. Now it's 29.
Yeah.
Oh, what an absolute fucking trade that was. Very, very happy with that. Okay, let's take a look at these news. Huh?
Guys are bleeding with crypto, man.
Yeah. That post that Ted put, I was like, oh, that's a bit. Coinbase is basically just trying to cover their back, saying if anything like fucks up. It's a bit mad. I'm new to Forex. Can you please tell me how to explain that a candle is bullish or bearish in different time frames? Just whatever the color is. So red for me is bearish, and then this color, I'm colorblind, so I think it's white or blue. That's bullish. And then yeah, you just look at that in all time frames and you try and identify where it is. You can see here they're all pretty red, so it's bearish overall.
Let's go in squad next year.
What's up? Did you take trades before, Milan?
Fuck yeah. I got 1.8%.
Good lad. Where do you get them?
AJ or the 3 minutes flip.
What, whereabouts? Just now?
No, before. In 3 minutes. Yeah, there.
Oh, that was nice.
That retest week.
Oh, that was nice. Why does it have to happen just before 6 AM? For fuck's sake.
I was awake all night. Shit.
You're awake all night.
Good morning, Max. Good morning to all.
Good morning. Right, so yeah, let me just put the sells below 1846. So yeah, squad, I got into some sells yesterday. Rather annoyed by them because they would have worked out nicely. They just fucking didn't take. They weren't quick enough. I got into a sell here. The break of this low. Stop loss was on the current top wick that it made. It was around about 11 pips there. Price came down, came around about 6 pips profit. Wicked her back, tacked me back out, and then the news just launched it. And that was the trade I've been looking for all morning. You guys would have heard me on the stream going, I'm just waiting for some sort of resistance to form to ride it back down in the zones. Finally happened, but unfortunately the news kind of fucked me. But hey ho, apart from that, yesterday AJ and GJ were in the zones. Good morning, Milan and Miss Milan. Will you pass a challenge student for sure? Yeah, you must be, Milan.
Oh. Hope so.
Hope so. Right, let me mark this out. Let me see where I'm actually looking for sells. Yeah, because it gets quite hard when we've already pushed down a lot. So let me just mark this up a little bit here, make my charts look a little bit cleaner. So start to see there is a little bit of support there at 89,177. So you could do closures below. Let's take a look at this 30-minute. 30-minute hasn't broken the high of the previous. The hourly still okay. So yeah, an hourly retracement and then an hourly flip would be kind of nice. So the more it retraces for me, the better, because then I actually have targets to hit. So, but you could say potential sells below here if you wanted. How much would the hourly top wick be now? 12 pips to look at the 15. Yeah, we'll have to see. Took that same gold sell and lost it, lol. Yeah. It looked nice though, didn't it? It was a shame. Let's take a look. Max, how about GJ sells closure below 157,950? I mean, you know, it's like that thing, right? It's like the thing. It's yeah, just taking a sell at every single low could be, you know, it's worked every single time here. It's just I know at one point it isn't gonna work anymore, and you're gonna get slapped quite hard. So I either take the risk of getting into a low and just hoping it continues, or I wait for a retracement and then take the bearish closure. So what I mean by retracement is something like this, right? 1 second. So these next candles over here, hopefully they can continue back up, which, you know, gotta hope for that. Coming to a level where it would reject before, like a previous support, get a resistance forming like that, and then my trade would be making the top wick here, flipping, and then driving down. That would be the trade. So yeah, I took gold sell now. Oh, nice, very nice, very, very nice. Yeah, looks good. How much is take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, that's nice, man. That is nice. Yeah, I might wait a little bit later on over here, but sure looks pretty good, right? Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. So yeah, we'll see. Should fill that wick up, come back to 1846. That would be very nice. Got in AJ last night off the fake out at 91. Made mad profits and runners. Nice, well done. So it looks like people who traded Asian last night ate well. But let me just say something here. So this Asian session, 1 second. This Asian session was probably one that you could have traded, like if you don't normally trade Asian. Why? Well, because GJ just broke out of a zone. The daily closed bearish below, so you've got to know it's going to continue, right? So if there's one Asian session that you would trade, it was probably last night. You get me? So yeah, interesting. Oh shit, yeah, sorry, 1 second. Daily flips here. 1 second, let me move these. I haven't changed them. So see if that can continue. Let me just move the daily on these ones. That one has. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's all good. What the fuck? Where's all the GJ gone? Have I just deleted it all? Oh no, man. Okay, I'll do GJ again. So the daily time frame, bearish as we see. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, daily's bearish. 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour over here. 4 hour also bearish. Very nice. The hourly time frame going down, 30-minute, 50-minute, all coming down, right? Yeah. So I just gotta wait for either a retracement or a little push over here. Looking like gold's doing well now. So 50-minute would have been on the 30-minute flip. Stop loss above. So 14 pips stop. Already up 10 pips nearly. Should go like 30. Which then also be dragging down the hourly time frame below 1847, which would be nice for it to continue down. So very nice. I'm out at the charts ready for to trade Asian, but I fell asleep. Oh no. You can't do much about that, you know. You just gotta get on with it. I always say this: just don't get too worked up. Oh, that would work nicely. Don't get too worked up on, you know, missing trades. I tell you, because it will start to hurt you quite badly. From experience, trust me. I think better off just, you know, take it on the chin. You know, I missed the trade. You know, tough shit. Move on. Move on.
Winning squad.
Morning squad. Morning, my boy. Yeah, wow, that gold trade, I was tempted. Yeah.
The guys were eating early this morning.
Yeah. Oh yes. Sashin, good lad. Good lad. That's what I like to see. Very good. 50-minute just closed. Bearish. Very, very nice. Let's continue down. Beautiful. Yeah, exactly. I always tell myself to that there's trades, there's always next trades. Exactly. Well, you know, yesterday when we took the trades, that we took the AJ trade, I think people might have left early, but some people stayed on. I mean, there's still 340 people on. But we took a trade later on AJ, but I missed 2 GJ setups because they just ran very, very quickly in the entries. But I stayed calm. You know, I still waited for the setups and I executed later on. So there's always trades around the corner. Remember, you've got emotions. You're a human. You know, you're gonna feel these things, but you've got to be able to minimize them dramatically, right? You need to trade like a robot. Ooh, AJ's reflipping. 50-minute just closed bullish. Yeah, so 50-minute just closed bullish. Interesting to see. Yeah, I'm not bothered about it, to be honest. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that was a nice retest. Did you get in on the retest session there? Stop loss above the previous hourly? That was nice. That was kind of nice. Okay, so 50-minute close still bearish on GJ. For me, I'm probably just going to wait for a retracement, man. I think. Could this be one of the gold trade moves for clean traffic? Yeah. I think so. I think it could, because we'll be continuing down. The 4 hours should be filling this area, so for sure. I think it should be kind of nice. This area is a little bit wicky there, so I'd probably wait a little bit lower down. But 1847 later on would be nice, okay? So yeah, I'm just waiting for a little bit of a retracement over here. So we just write this. Hopefully we can get it at some point. Because right now, I mean, the stops, so if I just got in now, stops 15 pips. Yeah. Not for me. I think the best thing for me to do right now is just to wait a little longer. I'm glad that AJ's made a little bit of a retracement, which is good, because AJ's zone coming down over here is going to be tasty. Look at that. Clean candles to the left. Very, very nice in the hourly time frame. Pretty much. Hourly's just flipped. Bearish. But 50-minute closed, yeah, bullish, so... I know it's very weak bullish, but it's still bullish, right? At gold, my TP almost hit 1847.5. Oh, you didn't close some? Bro, you gotta close some there. Why'd you have to close some there? Well, take a look, right? Let's just go to this. Why would you close someone there? Some there. Well, look, you've got the wicks. Gotta be able to close some there, right? Gotta be able to have that trigger finger of taking positions off there. So yeah. Looking like look at the 5 minutes on GJ, looking nice. To continue, but as I said, I'm probably just gonna wait for the retracement. Which, you know, there may be a lot of moves now where, you know, you could get your 10 pips, but for me, I just want the safest option. I know that will be with the retracement. My FOREX fund.
I think it's just, I don't want to impulse this because it's so bearish, and I think it's moved 270 pips from yesterday.
Wow. Yeah.
I also I need a big pull up before I even open my.
Yeah. Did you get any before, Brian?
Oh, none, mate. Yes. I was looking at it yesterday, and I'm thinking on the 30-minute, I was like, every single entry you wouldn't have stopped up. None of them.
Yeah, man. I looked up here and I was like, why are you moving at like fucking 5 o'clock? Like the one. In any other day, you would not have moved 5. You know, 5.
100%. We'll never get that movement that far.
Yeah. But like people who were there and would have taken it, where would you have taken them? Well, for me, it would have been there.
The 30-minute was so clean, man.
Yeah. Yeah, there, top wick, break of the low. The reason why I would have gone the break of the low there with this small top wick was because, you know, we're closing below. Look how strong the candles are. Very, very nice. And I mean, the same thing here on the 15. I would have gone into a sell there. So that would have been a 15 pip stop, but I probably would have just used a 10. Right. With that rejection there, it's going to fly. And yeah, so was nice, but unfortunately it's just not in the time we want to take trades, so we can't do anything about that. Let's take a look. Hey Max, I've been following you for the past 8 months, and I've finally been profitable for the last 4 months after trying to learn to trade for 4 years. Thanks so much. Wow, Tim, that's amazing. You've been here for 8 months. Yeah, I recognize your name. You were one of the OGs. Wow, now you're profitable for 4 months. Amazing. Oh, AJ's pushing down. Yeah.
Max, fuck.
What? Well, I'd take it, pussy.
No, I'm fine. 1.8 today.
Yeah, exactly. You've already had your money.
I like the zones.
I love the zones too, man. I need to wait for a retracement.
No raging zones. Fuck.
Yeah. Thank God after that fucking range.
Yeah.
So gold making a little top wick over here, but it is just in that area. You know, I'd rather wait down here than I would up here, right? So that's probably what I'm gonna wait for. Can't believe there's 250 people already and it's 20 past 7. Fucking hell. Our stream too big. Crazy you stay patient and miss so many moves. I'm still up 39%. Nice. I mean, I've just got on the charts. I haven't missed any moves yet, but yeah. Oh, GJ's just broke the low, so yeah, nice. Very, very nice.
I don't know what zone to mark in Asia. There's fuck all on the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's just where do you? Oh,
I hate that. I hate it. I hate it like this. I prefer shit like this, where it's got a support. All you need to do is wait for a closure below. Whereas now we're just free falling, and you kind of just like, because you always know, like at the end you'll get into a sell here, and then the candle will do this, and then go, woof, and you're like, ah, fuck. So I'd rather wait for the pull. Oh, look at GJ. So take a look at GJ on the daily. We are coming into this territory of the daily resistances, so this is an area where I'd like to have a top retracement, to be honest. So I just gotta wait, man. It sucks, but got in on GJ in the 5 minute rush. Oh my god, everything you do is like fucking gold. Let's take a look over here. So if you got in there, how much are the stops? 10 pip stop on a 5 minute. Nice. Very nice. So looking like gold's wicking back up. So yeah, you know, just be careful in this area. This is why I'm waiting for sells below 1847. I think it'd just be a little bit easier in that area, because look, the wicks to the left. Look what it's done though. It's tapped the wick. So right, this is an example, right? So if you got into this gold trade here and you didn't take positions here, and now you're holding drawdown, you know, learn this lesson. You're probably gonna lose a trade because it's probably gonna break that high right now. Learn from this. When you get a drive on gold here, right, you're up. I mean, if you got in here, you're up like 22 pips. That should be a break-even trade. You should be a break-even, and you should be closing profits right there, okay? Because look, the wicks, the candles. If you've got data to the left-hand side showing you that price rejected there before, why aren't you taking any positions there? It's because you're greedy, okay? It's because you're greedy and you wanted this whole zone. I think a lot of people right now are trying to take Raj's 110 billion pip trades and trying to hold them on, but now they're getting slapped. I think the thing that Raj does is he's getting them in before pre-London. He's getting them in at a very, very high or low state. So like he'll be getting them in like here for the sells. So now he's
There's a story though that.
Yeah, and it's a big. He gets in on the 4 hour.
4 hours,
it's a 100 pip move. It's a 4 hour clean down. It's never like
and
a 15, 20 minutes. Sorry.
With his pictures, you can see he's got 25 lots and then 100 lots.
Yeah.
So there's a story there. Like why select the different lot sizes?
Yeah.
Trading different things. So people must just leave Roger alone. You're gonna have a lot of wins, you're gonna have a lot of losses. The same
yeah.
as us, we get wins and losses, but there's a reason why he's changing his risk.
Yeah.
So often. You know what I mean?
No, Raja, no, Raja. Hey, Max, your guy, Champion Pips, yesterday got 100 pips on gold buy.
I know. We saw it in London. It was sick.
Congrats, man.
It was nice. The issue I had with it was just, there's no closure. It was just kind of ran here. If that was a little bit up, I mean, there. I wouldn't see why not, but it didn't close above for me, so. But it worked nicely. How did that look like on the 30? Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that. But also champion had big stops, right? His stops stops were 40 pips, so.
I'm just saying, I don't like him.
But he got in there. His stops were. I'm pretty sure the stops were down there. So he gave it more room, right? So if it would have been nice if it was there, but actually it was only like a 2-to-1 risk to reward if he held on to those highest. So
that's why we like you, Max.
150.019. What's this for? GG. I just gotta wait for a tracer, man. It may happen NY. It may happen London session. It may happen a London Open. London Open may give it the little push up. Because of 1 hour trend line, I can go up after hitting that. Ooh. Let's take a look. It's a solid trading method Max teaches, though it takes a while to get comfortable with. For sure. This trading strategy is all about your discipline and your emotional side, for sure. It's the hardest part for that, but it's video quality. Is it right? Is right, Zane? Fucking thank you very much. He says video quality is horrendous. How's the video quality looking, guys?
It's fine on my side.
Always on YouTube. I haven't followed that concept.
Yeah. Some guy.
That's fine.
Ah, right.
Just have to change the quality
He's
to
just
1080p.
yeah, it's just saying me the fucking retard. Okay. Let's take a look then. Gold retapping that zone, so yeah, I still think sells below here are gonna be nice. What's your bias in gold? Sells. Did that daily candle closed bullish actually? So you know the overall trend is still bearish. The daily candle didn't close above the previous support, so it's still bearish, right? So yeah, don't worry about it. Oh yeah. Maybe he's watching in 144p. Exactly, yeah. Probably. When I don't wait for closure, I normally take a loss. Exactly. I'm actually also looking for buys in gold. So buys in gold, I'd say for me would be probably above 1857. To continue to 1864. Yeah. So buys in gold would be there also. Very nice. Anyone have issues with magic keys freezing on them? I know people have issues with magic keys when they try and take a trade and it doesn't work, but I think it's maybe because of your leverage, or maybe because of you haven't put algo trading on or done the import things. It's all on the website to look and do that. So yeah, man. Let's take a look then on the 4 hour. What we're doing right over here. It's always nice to see the 4 hour. So 4 hours still looking nice. We are tapping this previous area of resistance, so normally support should form there. But we are very, very bearish. This could still continue and fly. But you know, if this was London here, I would have taken loads of trades. But right now, I gotta wait for this, right? I gotta wait for the little pull-ups. So this one here, then take the sells back down. This one here, then take the sells back down. Now I need to wait for a pull-up and then take the sells back down. Okay, this may not happen and it may just launch down 100 million times. But for me, I can't take a trade like that. It's just too It's already ran a lot. I need the retracement. Okay, 50-minute close bearish on AJ. 30-minute close bearish. Interesting. It'd be around about 12 pips if you got it on the low. That could be reasonable. Brian, what do you also think for AJ? It's kind of the same story, isn't it?
No, it's the same, man. They're just all so pushed.
Yeah, it's just got such a clean area. You're like, bro, I want to get in. Look at the 50.
Yeah, we've seen like a lot of the times I look at a GJ, we have the cleanest zones.
Yeah.
And we get 9 pips.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the one thing for AJ for me, it's just which is making me not want to get in right now, is this, right? So look here, look how strong these candles were, and now look at the price action here. Can you see it's a little bit on the choppy side? So knowing that, it's looking like this, they're finding maybe a little bit of support somewhere. I could be wrong, and this could just break the low and continue. But I think I'm probably just gonna wait for this 8 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully in the next 30 minutes we can get a little bit of retracement. Okay, so gold over here, 15-minute has closed bullish back above, so I would be very cautious now, taking sells right now. I'll be waiting for below 1847. Okay, because what's happened is this is zone 1 here. Oh shit, 1 second. This is zone 1. This is zone 2. Now, in the trade that people just took there, and I was very interested in, you got to close it in zone 2, you wait for the top wick, the flip, and then you flip up and you fill zone 2, right? Now, this 50-minute candle here has closed in zone 1 again, so it should fill up zone 1. So, just be a little bit cautious with the sells. Also, just saying, guys, the daily and the 4-hour, look where price is in the middle of it again, so just chill out. Just chill out. Yeah? Oh, thank you. Just come in. I can't. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, hi Max. I also think that we've dropped so hard.
Yeah.
It's difficult to take a trade like right now, knowing that we are so bearish.
Sure.
It's like I just seen Brian a message like, "Hey bro, like fuck, we don't know what's going on, man."
Yeah.
Like
I think it's just so much easier, isn't it, to just wait for the retracement. We did this a couple of days. We did this a couple of weeks ago where it was also very bearish, and I just wait for the retracement.
That's all we gotta do is just wait. Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
You can already see now. Sorry.
There you go.
You can already see now the 15, like how far it's pushed up in this one candle.
Yeah.
It's like, it's 26 cells now. Like,
Yeah, 24 pips.
It's so annoying. Before I went to bed, I saw the daily because someone, I think it was Ollie or something, measured it. But sometimes you get the push up Asian, and then the daily flip for London.
Yeah.
But last night was like, nope.
Sometimes if it's got enough strength, it won't. So let's take a look at where that daily.
Yeah, we got all day, so.
Yeah. Exactly, you know, the more it retraces here, the better, you know, because then when we're starting to trade up here, now I have a target, which would be here, right? If it comes back up here, now I've got a target back down the lows. So these days actually, when I was learning how to trade, were also very hard. So actually, I'm just giving you an example here, guys. If you're struggling this week, I would really recommend, you know, don't be too hard on yourself, because it is hard, right? So you've been in a range, right? You've been taking some rangy trades, kind of hard, bad price action, hasn't been the nicest. Now we've dropped lows, now we're launching, and now you're wanting to you know, get your money back. You're wanting to get these big moves, the big pushes. So now you're taking these flips, and now you're losing again. You're like, fuck, man, I'm really struggling here. I think, you know, the rangy and the big launches are hard to get into after it's it's already launched a little bit. So I think this week or this week and last week, if you're struggling a little bit, don't worry about it. Just sit back, please, because yeah, it can be a little bit hard over here. And there you go. So gold pushed back up in the zone. So flip the 4-hour, flip the daily time frame. So nice. So there we go. A little bit of a retracement. I've been training for 2.5 years, and you have taught me to be more patient. Exactly. It's actually a very hard skill. Being patient in this environment is very hard, because you just want to take some trades, right? But there we go. So there's some sort of retracement starting to happen now, which is good to see. I'm not gonna lie, very nice. Any suggestions for beginners to guide to price action? I think just watching the streams, watching Don's streams are quite easy and simple as well. I think that's where you should go. I think you should watch our streams. You'd learn more just listening and doing that. Also go on Baby Pips as well for that. I think they'll tell you some stuff. This is so loud in my ear, man. Is that too loud for you guys? Is that too low for you guys? So what are your view? How do you control your emotions? I mean, it's hard. Some people can just do it. I couldn't. I was one of them people that couldn't do it. I had to really sort myself out. So for me, you know, what have I got to do over here? I've got to, you know, take this thing seriously. When I started, you know, taking trading seriously, go, right, I'm either going to sit and doing trading for, you know, 5 years, losing my money every time, basically gambling every time, and not going any further. If I want to take this seriously, I've got to be able to control my emotions. And it's just a clicking moment. It's a light bulb moment that'll go off in your head and you go, you know what, I'm not doing that ever again. And genuinely, what I would advise, right, is this. And it's quite interesting because it's actually helped me quite a lot at the start when I was trading my own funds. So before I did Fun and Talent and made quite a lot of money there, being in a big group helps. That's facts, Oliver. But for me, the thing that helped me was being on a demo account, right, and just trading like you would on a normal account. So trading it on a demo account just like this. So you'd have your chart like this, so it'd say demo at the top, and you're happy, you're just sitting there, and then one day you just completely randomly, you do it in about 5 minutes, you open the live account, you move it to a live account here, you put it to your side, and then forget about it. You never ever go on view and look at toolbox. So you never look at your gains, your losses, because for me, what used to happen was I used to hit milestones, and if I got below it again, it'd piss me off. So for example, if I had £750 in and I made it to £1,000, and then I lost a trade and got back down to 984, that would piss me off, which is just the stupidest thing you could possibly do, right? But for me, it pissed me off, and I wanted to get back up to 1,000. So what I advise is doing demo for a while, seeing how good you are in demo, which you will be good in demo, completely switching it. Do not, for the love of God, look at your account at all for 6 months and just trade like you would. You know if you're going to be profitable or not, because you're going to either see a lot of blues, not going to see a lot of blues, sorry, because you're not going to see them. You're going to see a lot of 10 pips, 20 pips, 15 pips on your journal, and then you look over in 6 months and go, oh shit, I just compounded this account from £500 to 3,000 in 6 months, and this is great, and I didn't have to look at it once. Looking at your profit and losses every single day is a fucking pain in the ass. Don't do it. What you're saying now is so me. Well, yeah, and I've been through it. It's a pain in the ass. It's the most frustrating part of trading. Of course, trading is one of the best professions in the world. Trading is one of the hardest professions in the world. Trust me. Daiso, I need to check you out over here. I think you've been doing some really good chart work. Wow. Okay, let's take a look. Daiso, you've been taking these fucking trades? Oh my god.
He's been in it.
Oh my god, you have.
Right, yeah.
What was that on? The 5 minute? Oh, 5 minute celery play. That was kind of nice. I think your stops there, Daiso, are a little bit big. I think if you got into a little trade like that, I think that would have been realistic. Just to try and minimize your stops, because if you lost that trade there, it depends how much you close, but if you lost that trade there, you'd lose 32 pips, 33 pips, kind of a big stop. Take a look. Is that what it looked like on the 5 minute again? Oh wow, you're still holding. Oh shit, Daiso. Look at this, man. Daiso's putting in the work, man. So he's got a little bit of a trend line in the 5 minute. Tapped it a couple times, three times. Respected trend line, confirms bullish 5 minute trend. Previous candle closed doge. Next candle open with bulls. Watching for strong reverse. Enter on the break of the previous 5 minute low. That was nice, yeah. it's breaking that little trend that you had. Wicked, worked nicely.
Sorry, Max, I couldn't get my thing unmuted, man. Yeah, so that I sent you that the other day is something I was going to start looking at
Yeah.
based off this thing I watched, and I couldn't believe the results this guy was getting. So I thought, hell, that one there I managed risk on it. So that one stop loss the stop's always based on the previous high or the previous low, and the rule will always be a 2-to-1 profit.
So you wait for
none
a
of
5
them have
minute.
even hit stop loss. So I set a trend, get a confirmed trend, and then when it breaks out, if we get candle confirmation, we enter.
Nice. Yeah, that's
and so
beautiful.
far I'm on the 4th one now, running the 4th attempt, and it's currently in profit. It could be 4 from 4 in 2 days.
Wow.
So if I took these trades at a 0.75% risk, I'd be up 6% for the week.
Yeah, so it was this trend, right? It was that, wasn't it?
One sec. Yeah, that's it. Only on the 5 minute.
Yeah. Very nice.
Only on fixed percentage, not fixed lot size.
Yeah.
But this is just all just practice. I just want to see if it works, you know.
For sure. I mean, yeah, let's take a look at the opposite one. So if you took a trend line here, that closure above.
Yeah, so as soon as that closed
there.
up above, I waited, and me and Finn are papering this one.
Yeah, that little. So it's like, it's like using the 5 minute trends. Interesting to see. We'll take a look at that for sure.
Bro, the stop, will be based on them previous lows there, and then that's where the TP will come from, the stop loss, and if it hits it, like, I can send you the video I watched on it, Max. You won't believe it. It's
on
like
YouTube.
when I watched it, I thought, is this guy's fucking charts fake or what? Like, how's he just won 5-6 trades in a row? One of them he didn't answer because he had no confirmation. It's like, is this guy kidding or what? Giving this out for free.
Get that shit.
So we'll just see if it works, like.
Exactly.
Nice if it does. No harm in learning.
That's what Vincent just got. Oh, nice. Yeah, Vincent likes that shit.
Vincent's watched the same thing, and he's done the same thing,
Well, I think Vincent's been looking at that a lot as well. I think in AJ you do that quite a lot as well, like on breaks and stuff. Nice. Makes sense though. Beautiful. So let's see how much this was retraced now. 43 pips. Wow. I know there's going to be some people in the chat over here who are holding their sweaty nuts. They got into a sell here and they're like, no, I'll come back down. It's so bearish. And now they're 32 pips broad drawdown. Oh my god.
Decent stop loss. Nice.
Decent stops on the flip. Do you need potential sell below 158.30 with Luna volume? I gotta wait for the retracement, man. So we still got 50 minutes left. Everyone on YouTube's looking for that video, Daiso. So what are your views on Uncle Ted? He's an inspiration for many. Why he stopped teaching or coming to live? He goes to controllers. He was in it yesterday. Why he stopped teaching? Well, he teaches every day pretty much. He tells you information every day. He just doesn't do it formally because he doesn't need to. And he already did that before when he was younger. So stop loss. How do you backtest efficiently? Use soft FOREX. Let's trade like this. Yeah, that. The best one. The trading view one is garbage. That's
yeah. Anyone in the mentorship, just ping me a message. I've got the free one. Don't buy it.
Yeah, don't buy it.
Don't pay for that.
The perk of the mentorship. The perks.
Yeah.
You got NAS signals and you got fucking free software.
Yeah, man.
Oh my
£50 a month. Fuck now. We're gonna do simulation tomorrow. I'm still fucking ill today. I'm gonna have to sort myself out today. I'm gonna try and go and get this fucking honey and shit.
Me, man. Friday tomorrow.
I know. I'm going to fucking Leeds the weekend and going out as well. Fuck's sake. Oh, mate. Being ill and going out and waking up in the morning is literally one of the worst things in the whole entire world. Oh,
Going to Luton Huddersfield tomorrow.
Oh,
Playoff
nice.
first leg.
Oh.
If we bottle it.
See De Bruyne yesterday. Oh my
Elite.
God, he's fucking sick. I just love how he's a Chelsea dropout. I love them stories where like they're dropped out. He's probably really feeling like low at the time, and he's like, "Man, I'm a shit footballer. I just got fucking dropped," and then he turns out to be this absolute fucking weapon. Oh, it's like yes. I love them stories.
He deserves a golden boot for sure.
Yeah.
He deserves a golden boot for sure.
Right, he hasn't scored enough goals, has he?
Yeah, but
He's a great player. So creative.
loads.
Assists. So visible.
Oh, he's there. Fucking hell, he's 15. Shit, he's actually quite high up.
He's
Shit.
great. Hey,
Wow.
Hey,
He popped the
midfielder.
Haaland celebration yesterday, innit?
Did he?
Yeah, he popped the Haaland celebration.
Nice. Mate, that team next year is going to be absolutely disgusting. Oh my God. That team is going to be disgustingly good.
Hey, Brian, don't complain. Go to golf.
Man United must start praying now, really.
Yeah, Man United were like, fuck. Imagine getting Haaland for 50 mil. Oh my God. What a fucking steal.
Yeah, and paying 90 million quid for Harry Maguire.
Harry Maguire.
That is a fat L for Bayern, man. Or Dortmund.
Yeah.
And I think they paid 50 million quid for Wan-Bissaka.
Oh my God. He can barely kick a fucking ball. The only thing he's good at, the only thing he's good at is fucking slide tackling. He's fucking shit with the ball.
Hey, Jason, you see my jersey? Do you know which one it is?
Jersey looks like shit.
Jersey.
Fucking hell, Milan. It's
Dress.
called a fucking top or shit.
Okay, I just see super.
Jersey, fucking Jersey.
How do I say?
Like, I don't know.
What jersey is that?
T-shirt.
Top.
T-shirt.
Yeah, football top.
Football top, innit?
Yeah.
That's Nigerian.
What it looks
Nigeria.
like is it's been in the tumble dryer too long. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it is.
That's absolutely.
It's Nigerian dress.
Are you in Niger now, man? You buying them drugs from Nigeria?
15 minutes break in the low of the previous candle. How much would stops be? 13 pips isn't that bad. The hourly's reflipping. It's kind of nice. 15 has no top wick though, and it's just opened. 12 minutes left. That would be a candle that would, it's either make or break, It'll break that low, could drive down here, but it doesn't have a top wick. Probably it makes a top wick in 12 minutes. It's probably kind of high. So I'm going to leave that again.
If you take a look on 5 minutes on AJ, it's really decent. So for an example, if this 5 closed below that kind of a support and then wicks back up and reflip, it could be a potentially good entry.
Yeah, because the hourly will be, hourly's breaking the low.
We do have 12 more minutes for hourly closure.
That's the thing.
But again, if it does that, man, it's zone.
So like we know you was on around 2 years ago on Rider Stream, and that time Uncle Ted was only there. So what is the best thing you learned on that time? Can you please share with us? Wait, what was the best thing I learned at the time being on Rider Stream or with Ted on Rider Stream? For me, the thing that I learned from Ted was just about the painting the picture of the higher time frames. So always looking at what the higher time frames are doing and trying to find your entry in the lower time frames, but always matching it up with the highs, right? So I mean, it's easy today. It's just, it sells. You're not taking any fucking buys. What's the daily saying? Well, we're probably gonna fill this wick all the way down to 88.388. That's stuff that Ted would say. So really good for me to kind of just get an opinion of where price is gonna go. So yeah, looking like the 5 minutes closing below. It's kind of nice. Look at the 30-minute time frame now. Yeah, reflipped. Hourly's reflipped. Stops aren't that bad on AJ, are they? GJ's coming back down as well, reflipping the 30-minute.
So we could get something on GJ after this kind of.
after this candle close, and hopefully a nice top
Yeah,
wick.
because obviously the 30 minutes too big, so we'll see what
Yeah.
open gives us.
For sure. Yeah.
And
Okay.
so, like,
I'll get ready for that. So yeah, hopefully what I'm looking for maybe in this next candle is a closure below. Next 8 o'clock candle makes a top wick, breaks the low. Take a sell, stop loss above.
Got zone at 157,653, and there's another one below that. 65.
No, is there on the 15?
On 30 there is.
Mm.
There's a resistance on 30, but it's just, I don't know. It's
To be honest, but the thing is with these trades is what will happen is if you enter and it's in profit instantly, you're probably gonna be okay. It's if it taps you and it rinses back up, you're like, oh mate, fuck this. Like, this is that's the issue of like these kind of trades. If you're up, if you literally get in your sell stop and you're up like 4 pips, 3 pips, you've won it. But if you're not, and it goes back in a 3 pips drawdown, you're gonna have to hold that top wick, and it's gonna be like, oh.
Yeah. Probably because the volume, you probably instantly break even if you're on the right side.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, makes sense.
So 30 minutes reflipping, nice. Yeah. Interesting to see. Let's take a look then at AJ. Yeah. So did that 5 minute close below? Didn't really, did it? No. Right, I got 8 minutes left. I'm going to quickly go to the toilet. 389 people in here. Oh my god. Morning, Max. Did you use Monarch still to grow that gorgeous full beard of yours? Oh, no. I'm just a fucking monkey. I'm just a fucking hairy-ass gorilla. I didn't do anything for it. Yeah, I think I got a bit of Middle Eastern in me, and you know Middle Easterns get a beard when they're like 12, so... Right, 1 sec.
Brian, you playing some golf?
I haven't played golf for a while. I'm keen for a game again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about rifles?
Yeah, I've got guns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need him over there.
Yeah, exactly. But when I take my guns out the safe when Jason comes to visit because I don't know what's going to go missing.
You just buy them from your local supermarket, or?
Yeah, you don't even need a license, man. Just get on the street.
I bet you don't.
Jason's got a ticket.
Yeah, man. Fuck you up, man. Nobody fucks with me.
Brian is a badass on Harley with a rifle.
Shashin, are you in gold buys, Shashin? Shashin, are you in gold buys?
I'll say it again.
Are you in gold buys?
No, say my name again. It's more fun.
Shashin?
Sashi? No, I'm not, man. I'm not. I was looking at the suit, but the 15 closed at the rest for me.
Like a Japanese name, Sashi.
Yeah, man. That's my sushi knife. Sashi.
It sounded like hashish.
Shit.
So, okay, let me see the chart in the
Yeah.
Why do people in the chat queue and think I'm fucking Chinese? What the fuck? What the fuck?
You look like Asian.
No, I fucking don't.
You need to open your eyes
I'm
more.
fucking hairy as shit. Like, what the
No, but
fuck?
you squint. You look like you're squinting.
Well, yeah, I got similar eyes, but like I'm fucking hairy. What? Have you ever seen a hairy Chinese person? I fucking haven't. They're all got zero hair. They do. Like, I used to work in a Chinese restaurant, and none of them had fucking hair on their arms. Like, I'm a fucking gorilla.
Man, he's a Chinese guy in the group, bro.
I've never had a fucking.
Zen Yu Ong.
Yeah, Zen. Like, maybe they're getting fucking mixed up with me and controller. This is a Stop Loss Matter stream, not controller stream. I'm not fucking Asian. I get that a lot. To be fair, my mum looks quite Asian. To be fair, same kind of like eyes as me and shit.
Nice.
But then it's the beard, man. I would love to see my like heritage
So
thing.
that's the reason because we were. Okay. Right.
I think I am probably a good proportion Middle Eastern. Like
well, him and Brian used this theory on Naz a lot. Brian told me. He said that's
Simon,
definitely an
Kathmandu.
awesome way to trade. He goes, that's something I use nearly on all my trades. And I was like, yeah, right.
It's Tyson
That's
speaking
something
in
I'll be-
Discord. I fucking love it.
Simon,
Tyson does that.
Kathmandu.
I
Kathmandu,
always
Simon.
do that. Sorry, boys.
Ciao, Shane. Ciao, Shane.
Right. Okay. So.
Did you send it?
Darshan.
Ciao, Shane.
Right.
I
You sent it.
Ocean.
I sent it in the group.
Yeah.
I sent it in the Zoom chat.
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah,
have
I
a
can
look
see
at
that.
Controller.
Oh, you got.
Controller is Vietnamese. Yeah. But he's closer to Chinese than I am, right? Like fucking hell.
Jason, what was it? You got him at the bottom support.
Yeah, so basically like probably break of the trend line, which is also like double bottom structure, like the structure, then retest of the neckline.
See, I'm never comfortable with the. I'm comfortable when it flips back up against the bearish candle. So you see it flips back up.
And you want the confirmation, right?
Yeah, because I can never do it because to me it seems like that's just emotions. It seems like it's going down, but you know it's just retesting the support. Then when it flips back up, that's usually my SL. So take it on the flip up and then SL below where your support is, and then you can just ride it. But yeah, yours is the same thing. It's just but
I like the retest because I can put my stop loss below the neckline. Which if it comes back to that area, I know that I'm invalidating the trade. You with me?
Yeah.
So I just getting in lower than higher, man. Like I've always, to be honest with you, I've traded like this like for quite a number of years, but as time goes on, you change because of different things that you learn, etc., and what you are now more comfortable with. So it won't always be great to do it this way because sometimes stops will be kind of huge. But in some cases, it's the best time to get in, So even though closure above would be nice, would be safer, but getting in lower will be just as safe. And what I've noticed is it doesn't tap my stops, man. It doesn't come close to my stops. Whereas if you're getting at the price, if you're getting at key level, your stops are almost always protected.
Yeah.
Because it's hard to get in like the middle of zones. It's easier to do it at the top.
Yeah, hundreds.
Yeah. Hey Max, about your TP, where's the next zone? Mine's close.
I just looked at it on the alley. I think on the other.
This looks good, but unsafe.
We don't take profits on this one until tomorrow.
Yeah, you hold that shit on. Nah, I'm getting my 10 pips, 12 pips. Right, so hopefully this candle can close like this. We can like, oh man, the fucking stops are massive.
That's huge.
They're huge. Like, I was like, maybe like I could put maybe the top wick comes there, but it's like that's 17 pips. Ah, like come on, give me a nice fucking. What about AJ? AJ's a lot smaller, right?
Yeah, just wait for the next candle. If it pushes off, it pushes off. Let's just see what the next candle is. I mean, it's 15. It just means nothing,
Look at that. That candle's only 18 pips. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, the candles are big. That's a big volume.
I'm in gold cells for the 4 hour. Interesting. I'm just gonna wait for down here because if this hourly closes back above as well, it's probably not looking good for the cells. But we'll see.
Stay away from gold.
Your zone's good on gold, I think.
Yeah.
There was sub below because that's in the wiki area. Below that's good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I need revenge on gold, man. That fucking trade yesterday should have worked out. It would have been a nice 100 pip fucking trade as well. I was so pissed off with it.
I was laughing. I was like just chilling on GJ.
Yeah, you dickhead.
Nuts.
Yeah, mate. I do like gold sometimes, like when it just runs nicely. But God, you do need some fucking sweaty balls every so often. Well, you do get sweaty balls, I should say.
Yeah.
Listen, I sent my chart to Brian yesterday where it showed cowboy cells. I told him I literally took that cowboy cells from there, and it worked out. I can't believe that it worked out the way it did. To be honest, I was amazed. By
Okay,
myself.
right. It's making a top wick.
Hello,
It's
guys.
kind of close below. I mean, getting on the low would be, you know, not a bad thing. The only issue is your fucking stops right now. Yeah, stops are how big?
Gotta go.
10 pips already. Oh my god. Right, impulse it. Yeah, I'm gonna get in over here. But I'm not gonna call it. I'm not gonna call it. I'm just gonna go for it. It's too
Do it,
quick.
bro. Do it.
Yeah. Give me that drive, bitch. Come on, bitch. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Ooh, ooh. Okay, coming around 6 pips over here. Let's take a look. Yeah. Coming back to entry. Ooh, I may close full over here at entry, maybe. Nah, I'm not gonna hold it on no longer. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here. Fuck it. I'm out. I'll close at -2 pips over here. I wanted that drive. It ain't give me that drive. I ain't taking that fucking top wick at this hourly. Hell no. So I got into -2 over here. 1 second. So yeah, I think it should still continue, but for me, I wanted that drive down. If I don't get in there instantly and it doesn't give me that push, I don't want to take that drawdown. Oh, AJ was a little nice. Let's take a look at the 30 minute on AJ. Broke the previous lows. That was kind of nice. Oh, look at GJ now. I had my sweaty balls. I ain't taking that.
I'm still in that.
Beautiful. So 16 pips. Oh, I'm so jealous. I should have held it on. No. That top wick though, I don't want that 10 pips, man. I don't want that 10 pip drawdown. Fuck. I got out like there. Sheesh! Oh my god.
Woo!
Oh, you guys hold it on.
I
got back in twice.
-5 pips.
Nice.
Oh, I should have held this.
Oh man.
Man, I waited till I got in a profit and closed. I really wish I held that.
I closed one at minus or wherever you close, and then +13 the next one.
You got in straight after.
It was the 1 minute breaking that low again. It was worth the stops.
Yeah. Thing is though, my issue with that is just the hourly's made the top wick in this 30. The 1 hour made literally the smallest top wick. And I'm like, oh mate, this could easily just rinse up a little higher and then go.
Should I close? Should I close?
Oh fuck's sake.
Yeah, well done for holding that on there if you did.
Yeah. Very nice, people. Well done. I didn't have the balls to hold it. Oh, I'm so gel. That was fast, yeah. That was nice.
30 pips.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Very nice. God, I hate it when this shit just runs like this, man. Just give me some nice fucking top wicks, relax, chill a bit. It's like breaking the low instantly, like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at that retracement. Oh, so let's take a look then on the daily. Let's take a look on the daily 1 second. So the daily time frame coming towards 157,300 should be the target really. But as I said, you shouldn't be holding this on. You should be taking profits, you know, this whole way, this whole little push. You shouldn't be just sitting here.
30 pips stanker.
Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake.
Boy.
Max, that was awesome, man.
Suck a dick, suck a dick. I'm so annoyed. Look at AJ, man. AJ would have been cleaner because AJ's stops would have been actually decent to actually hold. Yeah. Very nice. Take a look.
And I thought, hey, this morning is going to be a no trading morning, but man, goddamn. Don't play with me, Max. Don't play with me.
I should have held it
Stop playing with
on.
me,
Fuck.
You were just scared of that push back up and
Well, because I know the push back up on the hourly can be rather aggressive, especially when this.
100%.
You know what I mean? So let's take a look then. Gold dropping nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on gold later on. I think. Back there.
Listen, so as I wanted to set my stop loss to entry, I was in drawdown. I was in a bit of drawdown. That's with the retracement up. I was like, shit, too late. And then, whoop!
I literally was in drawdown
bang
for
down.
a fucking second. I closed right at the top wick of that fucking 1 minute pull up. Oh my god. I should just took the loss like a man if it went up, but for me, I got up to 7 pips profit, right? Like 6-7 pips profit. I wanted that drive there. So if it's coming back to entry and I don't have time to break even, I'm just gonna close that shit. I wanted that drive then.
Yeah. Absolute sense. Nothing wrong with that. That's how we do it, man.
So I mean, let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hours coming down nicely. Should come down to 156,800. That would be nice. I've realized London is pretty good. London is pretty good in time. Yeah, it's not too bad. No cappuccino. Damn, no composure. No, I just didn't feel comfortable. I got up 7 pips profit. I just couldn't put stop loss to break even. So I ain't taking that drawdown. But if you don't like the stream, royally fuck off. Thank you very much. Okay, let's take a look at AJ. 1 second. Is it right at that level? Yeah. Okay, so nice. I mean, sells below again on AJ would be kind of nice. So how long left for this 50 minutes? 7 minutes left. Looking like it's pushing down nicely. Yeah. Very good. Very nice. So the 15-30 minute time frame is breaking lows of previous is very bearish. The 4 hour time frame is flipped again. Yeah, could be kind of nice. EJ though 50 pip and 15 pips, nice. Let's take a look at crypto again just to see if it's dropped any further than London. Oh my god, 29p. Oh shit. Gold, gold, gold. So hopefully it comes a little bit further down. Right. So let me just put this on over here. So yeah, I mean, if we get a closure below 1847, that range fill to like 1840 at least would be rather nice. 27 pips on gold. Ooh, did you get in on the break of the lows? That could have been kind of nice. 22 pips stop would have been okay. Take a look at this hourly now. Yeah, coming towards that area where it could reject, so I'd rather have it a little bit low. So very nice. Oh! Okay, okay. Very nice and goldy over here. Still look at the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. Coming down into the area that I like. Please don't run the whole way.
5 minutes in close, it's closing low.
Bro, Bitcoin is melting still. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so jealous, man. I should have held it on. But I just don't like that top wig, man. I would hate to take that. I think the issue is because the top wick can be so aggressive, there's no way of me even managing risk. It would have just been a full-on fucking 10 pip loss. I'm like, oh. How much would have AJ been here? 1 second. Yeah, like 11 pips stop. That's not bad, to be fair. stop? What do you mean, Simon? Bitcoin going to 22k. Oof. Damn. It wasn't a sell stop, Simon. There was no signal call. It was just I was just jumping into a trade. Yeah, it was impulsive. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You could. I didn't expect you to take that. It was just.
In days like this, just getting a sell stop in is pretty hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did the right thing.
I can't just taking impulses all day. Max, would you have sell stops? Max, would you have sell stops in gold if I get a closure below? Maybe on the next 30. We'll see. God, yeah, mate. The cold crypto market is just not. Let's take a look at XRP now. This is gonna make me feel great when I've fucking sold all mine. Yes. Oh wait. No. So I sold there. Oh yeah. Lightweight. Very
lightweight.
Nice. Lightweight.
I
fucking love that guy. Is it Ronnie? Someone Ronnie?
Yeah, Ronnie Coleman. That's
yeah. Lightweight. But have you seen him now? He's an absolute cripple. He can barely walk.
He's had I saw on Joe Rogan. He's had 15 surgeries or something.
Yeah, his tendons and shit are just fucked.
It's like that. He still works out as well.
I know. It's just too much weight. I think if you think about your muscle can work until it's forever, but your tendons, your ligaments, all things that are holding it together, they're gonna fucking wear, man. Oh. Brian, what did you do then over here with this trade? Did you hold the runner on? What was the crack? What was the? How did you?
I think we just did the first fast. I just go through it.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Because I still said it's coming up, it has to come up the top one, so you don't know how far it could go.
Yeah. One iron gold has no top wick. That is true. So yeah, but to rectify that, I mean, when we get a closure and a nice top wick up, then I'll just the top wick should, if this next candle closes here, this next one makes a top wick. The top wick should theoretically, if it wants to continue and make that top wick, make it there. If it doesn't, then you're good. So yeah. What's that country you've bought a load of? They bought a load of Bitcoin ages ago.
Venezuela have tied their national currency to Bitcoin. Which is mad.
Yeah. That is mad. There's a good reason why the media rarely shows old retired athletes, because so many of them are cripples now. Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, they drop the they drop the currency from the US dollar, as in stop linking it to the USD, and then they've just tied it to Bitcoin. It's mad.
Wow.
Max, I know you're looking at gold, but can you consider, just take a look on AJ. If it closes now below that zone, and of course creates a top wick, flips, would you consider, or you think
it'll be the same thing as last time with the top wick is going to be fucking massive, and that's why I was scared for this one, because the top wick is so small comparison to everything else around it. But it's still 10 pips, so I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I hate it when it's just launching like this. I'd rather get in there, and if I haven't, I'm being cautious, because I just know the wicks up can be aggressive. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how big the top wick is. But the top wick I'd want is 10 pips, and that's there. So I mean, it's not a lot, is it? But I suppose we'll see. We'll see. So yeah. I may wait for the 30. If I wait for the 30, I may miss the move, but we'll see how this closes. I'm a crypto noob. Does this mean all those people who have millions in crypto saved instead of banking have lost value of actual savings? Probably. 50 minutes broken the previous low already instantly. Didn't really close the below I'd want, but it's still below kind of this area. Let's look at the 30 minute. Yeah, this may just drop over here. To see. What are people wanting to do? Maybe getting on the top wick on the retest. Oh, bruh. Is that what Jason's looking at? Oh, my fucking neck.
I'm not looking at anything. I'm actually getting ready for work. Emergency call out.
Emergency call out, mate. They've got fire. You need to get your fucking. You need to get your shit ready.
Nah, like so. There's like some vendors that needs supervision, and my colleague, I think he just contracted COVID, so he's like in one of the isolation rooms. So they're waiting for me to get to site to just take over. So the cleaning team are deep cleaning the whole facility at the moment. So I'm waiting until that is done, and so that I can get onto the premises.
So there we go. AJ's making the top wick. It's kind of right at that level. Yeah, it's so hard to think of where you'd want to get in. How much is this top wick now? Yeah, already like 8 pips. Nothing is lost until it is sold. That's true. That is true. You got to hold on for a little while now. Breaking the low. Yeah, I think this is just going to continue. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes pushing down, breaking the lows. Nice. There you go. There's the drop.
Oh.
There's the drop.
Just close below, for fuck's sake.
I know. Five-minute close, bullish on AJ, all that kind of stuff. We'll be chilling.
Oh, that cheeky little drop on gold.
Did you? Ah, fuck! I wanted this. I wanted it badly. I was looking at that 5 minute push in here. I was like, yeah, it could be nice. I mean, stop loss in the previous 5 minute, 20 pips. Could be okay. Anyone looking at this AJ flip? The only issue is it's literally closed right on my line. It's right on my line. So yeah, gold should continue down now. I mean, 1837 would be nice. I'll probably have to wait for this next 30 to close though. So we'll see. We'll see. Hey Max, explain why you closed early and how do you feel? Just trying to learn. No hate, bro. Closed early because the top wick was scaring me because it was made in the first 15 milliseconds of the candle. I know top wicks and the hourlies could be quite aggressive, and I didn't want to take a 10 pip L. And sometimes it could be slipped. I couldn't manage risk either, so it was just, yeah, I'd rather just get out at like 1 pip, 2 pips. I literally just closed it when it came to my entry. Yeah. I wanted the drive. It's because it went down as well. It's not like I got in and I wasn't up like a lot. I was up 7 pips and then it came back to entry. I'm like, you know what? This could wick up me hard. I'd be more upset if it hit my stop loss now because it went 7 pips than I would just holding the whole thing and holding it. So that's what I did. Okay, so AJ's flipping over here. AJ's flipping. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frames. Yeah, rejecting kind of nicely. See how far this can push down over here. If you look at the 30 minute time frame now. If my chart will load up. Yeah, very nice. Is gold still pushing down? Oh no, it's retracing. Yes, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, man. Easy 15 pips on gold at the first breakout. Yeah, nice. Yeah, could be nice. Yeah, I'll wait for that 30 minute closure. Oh my god, look at GJ still continuing down over here. Oh my god. The good thing is though, for NY session, oh my god, the retracements and the sells back below are going to be nice. I can't wait for that. Looking forward to that. Okay, AJ, 5-minute time frame, closed kind of below. If it breaks that low, could be kind of nice to continue. Continue. Looking like these wicks, they are struggling a little bit, but it should be okay. Should eventually be okay to continue down. Imagine buying Luna at $80 a couple weeks ago. Now it's 0.12. Oh my god, is that how much it's dropped? Fuck me.
They definitely got margin calls.
Yeah, that's a margin call and a half. Oh my god. It's the one. It's the one where they were trying to track the dollar. What was it called? Like this, the USDT index. And that when that started dropping, everyone's like, "Oh my god!" Everyone was like, "Shit." 14 pips in the previous 15. If you got in like right now, it's kind of big. But if it breaks that low, should continue bearish. For me, I'm just gonna wait for a retracement later, I think. The market manipulation is another level. I guess it's never happened in history. Market manipulation. I love people who use that word. It's like, yes, manipulation. Market manipulation. They're coming for you. Market's gonna kill you.
Anyway, I need to run, guys. Thanks for the 30 pub nutmeg.
Even I didn't take it, you cunt. Well done, man.
Catch you later, Jason.
See you later, Jason, man. 25 extra pips on GJ. Nice. You still got a runners in?
Not me, no.
Yeah.
Max, you must know, I just need to see potentials. Then I will be
in the Telegram potential trade. You're like,
if I'm gonna be, so if I'm gonna, obviously I'm gonna be busy and distracted, but I just need to see potential. Like if there's any potential, I will have it. Yes, guys.
See you later, man. He's gonna go to work and he's gonna see a signal and he's gonna go, yo bro, I need to go to the toilet for 1 sec. I got a massive shit coming. He's there just sitting on the toilet taking a trade.
AJ 9 pips on 5 minutes. AJ 9 pips.
Did you take it? Good lad. Yeah. Did you have your
no,
stops?
I didn't. I was waiting for you.
Bro, don't wait for me. I don't like this. I'm shit at taking these impulsive. I don't like it. I'm just gonna wait for a retracement. Go for it.
I know.
No, you've got to take those, Milan. If you want to take it, take it.
No, I don't want it. I got my profit. I just need his confirmation. No.
Where is South African Jason from? I have no idea. Hey Max, if gold 50-minute closes doji but 30-minute closes looks great, would you still wait for a big wick up before considering sell stop? We'll have to see. I'd rather close, in this area. Yeah, I think 1845, 1846 would be nice. Anywhere in that area, really. I think I would be happy. I think I'd be happy with it. Oh, I'm so jealous. I fucking hate. I hate.
You could have re-entered that. It's 4.6.
I fucking absolutely despise this. I hate when I came to the chart this morning ago. It's already fucking dropped. Now I'm trading a candle where I can wick up fucking 40 pips. I hate the.
I did say wait for another candle there. Did say wait for another candle. You would have had a perfect entry.
Where?
Well, the current candle's 4.6 pip itself.
Oh, do I ever take 4 pip stops? 4 pip stops though. No,
did you get a second one, Brian?
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this daily now. Yeah, rejecting hard again. Back down to 1838 today. Oof. Oof. Max, when you have days like that with strong directional momentum, you get little pullbacks, and it's where impulse entries are good. I know, and I don't like impulse entries. That's why I struggle with just taking the L. The issue is because I can't manage risk. It's just gonna slap my stop straight away, and I'm like, all right, yeah, I just took a 10 pip loss. Like for me, that trade there, like, look, right? Let me just go back. So I got in here. It went down. Sorry, 1 second. I got in here. It went down 7 pips. Came back, flipped me up 3 pips, and then started coming. You know, that 6, 7 pips there for me should have started pushing to at least 10. So, you know, I wanted the push. I know that if I'm doing impulsively, I don't want to hold the trade on for long. I wanted the push. So I talked about it, and it gave me the push, and then I relaxed after when it came back to entry. Just my thing. I don't like holding it on. Taking impulse entries always makes me feel like a degen. Yeah. Well, because I don't do it so much, you know, I'm just not used to them, I suppose.
We don't do them a lot, though. That's the thing with us. Like, impulse entries, we don't really do. We want a reason. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, or the high or the low. Makes sense.
Really, Max, I really like this risk management. Not that what you are cautious about the entries.
You like the risk of that trade just then? Oh, of the partials taking like 50% off and stuff. Yeah, it's worth it, you know, and that's why in this, you know, it's hard for me to take like close stop losses and stuff. It's a pain. Because you can't manage risk. So, you know, it is just a sweaty ball time, and I don't want a sweaty ball. I want a relaxed time. So, for me, the relaxed time is going to be a retracement later on, and then the sells back below. We did this literally last 2 times. Works perfectly every time. So, that's what I'm going to wait for. Look at that. AJ just retraced and whacked everyone out nicely. Reflipping the hourly time frame.
It went 11 pips, AJ.
Yeah. It went well. But I wish I took that AJ low there, I think, because the stop I could have had a little bit higher up. Yeah.
I closed full position 19 pips on AJ.
Good lad.
You should wait for NY for
Still
retracement.
gonna go for gold if 30-minute closures below. It depends how this 15 closes.
Why are you laughing, Brian?
I love your subtle comments.
No, I'm serious. We should wait for NY for retracement. I'm serious.
Yeah, for sure. I agree.
Coinbase founder net worth has dropped 84%. Oh my god! 84%. Oh my god. He's worth. What was it? He was worth 14. He was worth 14 billion, and now he's worth 2. Oh my god. 2 billion. He's fucking POV. What an absolute disgrace. Imagine that having. You could have just got out of that, sold all your shares, just chilling 13 billion. Now you've only got 2. That's only going to last you 2 full lifetimes. No.
Check
Those must be crying. They must be crying like you have no idea.
Check the daily on GJ. A little. If you look on the day, if you look to the see the area to the left.
Yeah.
So we're holding that now. So now it's you potentially could go down to the next one, which is this one here, and you've also got this one here. The problem is now it'd probably be NY until you pull up here.
Yeah.
And then you drop it if you want to. Yeah.
Exactly. Oh no! Don't close above. Don't do it, man! Don't do it. 50-minute wicking back up. I think you dumping your crypto crashed the market. Yeah. The founder of Coinbase, right? Yeah. Yeah, me selling my little XRP has just crashed the market. Like, shit, Max is fucking sold. Oh my god. Yeah, so now it's right there. I would not be wanting to take that right now. Yeah. I mean, there must be some reason most of the old school legendary investors are not supportive of cryptos. Well, it's because a lot of them don't have any utility. The whole reason why like Warren Buffett and stuff was so good is because he got into opportunities that had utility, and they were they're having some good money. That's why like the whole Tesla thing as well the whole Tesla thing I think is a bit it's worth all the other car companies combined pretty much. And it's like they haven't made any money. It's based on hype. Max, do you already know for how long you're going on holiday? 2 weeks, but like in the split of like one week and then another like 8 weeks later. So yeah.
Where you going, Max?
Going first to Spain and then second to Bulgaria. Yeah, it's Bulgaria's lads holiday, Spain with my girlfriend. So yeah.
I was looking at all-inclusives yesterday. Cheap as shit right now.
Really?
So, yeah, like Gran Canaria is like 450 quid, 4-star hotel, 7 days.
Wow. Yeah,
it's just like,
that's
just
not
fuck
bad.
off. One GJ trade, fuck off for the week.
Literally.
Max, you can also check Turkey.
Turkey's too close to like fucking Iraq and shit. Fuck that shit.
But bro, their seaside is much more beautiful than Bulgaria, and you have like Sachin said, all-inclusive, like for 500 euros.
Turkey's fine. It's not like a war zone.
I know, but for me, it's a bit too close to Syria. Like shit like that.
What? It's fine.
I think Turkey's a cheap person's Dubai. That's what I call it. You get people riled up there.
Dubai is next level, like, next level Dubai.
Yeah, Max, maybe AJ. What do you think? On 15 minutes.
On the flip, I just don't want to take an L.
At what point we don't? At what point does it flip and go up? You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the thing. I've already done it a couple of times. Like, oh. But I mean, the thing is though, it'd be nice if we could get it on the previous high, but it's fucking 17 pips. 17 pips for a 50 pip gain for the low.
We are done with GJ because daily.
Yeah.
But still, we got AJ.
Agreed, Milan. Agreed. Dude. Oh my fucking god, I'm so ill.
Unless I just drink some orange juice and ginger.
No. Well, unfortunately, I'm fucking with you guys all fucking day. I have time to do it.
You think we can?
I literally finish at 3 o'clock or like 2:30 when we fucking finish, and I shit you not, I go to the gym, I come home, and I fucking pass out. I'm so tired. So 50 minutes flipped over here. See if it can continue down. So if you got in on the 50-minute flip, your current stops would be 6 pips. Ah, could be reasonable.
That's great.
Yeah. Now you hit 10. Oh my god!
Fuck off.
Max is watching paint dry today.
Man, I just don't like it. Every time this happens, I hate the impulse of sellers. I can't stand them. It's just hoping. It's just hoping the flip's gonna continue. There's no actual like, right, we're broken and below, we're gonna continue. It's just literally praying that it's gonna fucking push. That's all it is. I fucking hate that.
Yeah. It's gonna continue until there's a big change in structure, and that's not gonna happen. So
I know, but for an AJ, there's a closure below week.
I know. But Milan, if you want to take it. But for me, I'm just not taking them. I've already taken one, and I fucking hated it instantly when I was in it because it went up fucking 7 pips, then comes back at -2, -1. I just don't like it. I don't like the impulses when we're trending. I'd rather just wait for the retracements later on and then fucking sell that bitch again. It's the way I trade, you know. It's the way. It stops me from taking all these fucking stupid L's in these impulsive times from all the winners that I've taken in the past 3 weeks. There's just no point for me. Like there you go. Look, it's just wicked all the way back up. I mean, it might have hit 10 pips, but it's too impulsive. Simple entry method on AJ on days like this. Wait for a green bar on 15. Put a sell stop at the low. Repeat until you get a loss. Let's take a look. You tried the suggestion with honey. Well, I was gonna do it yesterday, but I literally had no time. Like, this is my day as a whole, right? I finished this. I finished it at 9:30 yesterday. Sorry, at 9:42. I went for a piss. I set up the simulation. I did the simulation for an hour, then it's NY session, then I finish NY session like 2 o'clock, then I go straight to the gym, and then I'm at home and I'm literally fucking knackered, and I'm sitting in bed pretty much dead from the day. Max, was your GJ your last trade for London? No, it was yesterday AJ trade. Yesterday AJ trade, yeah. Oh, don't go back in that zone, Goldie. Yeah, turmeric juice. I like the I like turmeric juice and ginger. I like ginger juices. Like, they got a little spice to them. They're nice. They're very nice. Oh, 30-minute close as well. Yeah. So let's take a look then to the next zone to the left. Yeah, still got nice to 88,400. Very, very nice. Gold is going to make a top wick. Or I'm reflip. You could potentially get in there. My only issue is the 50 minutes. No, it is not looking like that, is it? Right? I just need a closure below here. Unsqueeze, squash the ginger. Drink will take you a few seconds. Nice. Breaking the previous low of the 30 very, very shortly. Should be nice. Max, do you get a sauna and massage every time after the workout? Not a massage, it's a sauna, steam room, jacuzzi. It's like a whole like fucking thing. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Max finds himself in the sauna after a heavy day with my life.
Yeah, I need that shit. Look at this. This Audi might be making a top wicket now in 22 minutes time, maybe. So, yeah, GJ breaking lows, AJ breaking lows, amazing. If people were taking them impulses again, they would have worked out nicely. But for me, I'm just not taking it. I'm waiting for Goldie. 22 minutes left of this 30, still a lot of time, so we'll see. Every poison substance has its own cure, such a just world we are living in, right? Milan, you are so fucking emotional. It actually hurts. Milan, I know you're never muted, but I'm telling you, Milan, you've already taken fucking what 1.8%. Bro, chill. You're
on 3 minutes. Check on the left. Just please check.
I know it's clean, but you know you didn't take it, so just chill out. Like, there's no need.
I'm chilling out. I didn't take it, but you know I like the zones.
I fucking like the zone. I just don't like the fucking candles just fucking launching down and not giving me a nice top wick.
Now it's my TP right now.
Yeah, that was nice. 4 hour. I mean, look at the 4 hour. When we came to the stream, we knew it was gonna come to this zone. 88,400. Tasty. How many trades do you take or plan per day and per week? It very much varies. This week, very small amounts. I've taken. Let's take a look. I have taken. Where did it start? 1 second. Right, it's the 11th. One second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've taken 5 trades this week. Yeah. 5 trades this week. Okay, so Owlie's making a top wick over here Interesting. Made the top wick, sorry. So I'm still going to wait for below here. What's your GJ target? It's hit target. So, I mean, it's hit further than target. My target here was 157,300. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It just doesn't stop, man. And then the target for AJ on the 4 hour, just look to the left. That's where you find your targets, right? So, where did the last price have a little bit of support or resistance? Well, it was here, right? 88,400. So.
Buy AJ now.
Yeah, buy support now. GJ 1 minute candles are 20 pips. Yeah, exactly. Shit's nasty. What are percentage of your trades are from London and NY? This month? Let's take a look.
Such a mix.
Huh?
It's a mix.
Yeah, it depends, man.
Yeah, that's what market gives. That's what you take.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, yeah, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's just half and half, man. It's just half and half.
You just put your current one in there.
Yeah, it's just half and half. Wow, look at AJ little looking up over here on the 15, back up, nice. Do check EJ. Nah, I don't. If you want me to check a chart, just send me a chart, but I won't look at it. Beautiful, yeah. I'm looking for these sells below, man. I'm waiting patiently. 9 o'clock normally has a good. Oh, look at the rejection already. Yes. Get back down, bitch. It's made the top wick of the hourly now, so you don't have to worry about that, which is good. Hey Max, what capital size would be profitable already for beginners so that you can also just take one? What? So that you can also just take what capital size? Well, obviously not. You need a huge one to live off. But to start off, you can do it on anything. Just do £200 account. Do 1 or 2 trades a day. You gotta get disciplined first. Trust me. Okay, in this situation with GBP pairs melting, isn't it better to take advantage of the volume and the trend and not wait for a retracement? I mean, I understand the importance of waiting for a retracement is safer, but the candles are pretty nice, showing continuation, not exhaustion. Yeah, for sure, if you can get your entry, but for me, I already taken that entry here, and I didn't like how the way it worked. It ran down 7 pips, 6 pips, and then came back to entry. I don't trade that way, so if I can't trade that way, I'm not going to take trades like that. But if you can, and you're happy with that, then take them. You know, for me, I'm teaching you the way I trade. In these market conditions, when we're just fucking launching down, I can't take any nice trades. Okay, unless the top wick is 10 pips, then we flip and break the low. I like getting on break of the lows. We can't get on break of the lows here because the stops are too big. So in these examples, I can't use my method to trade really because the stops are just so big. But if you can and you're happy taking them on just the flips with a nice 8 pip stop there on just the wick it's made, then go for it. But for me, I don't like having a full 10 pip trade based on one 5-minute candle holding the high, because that's all it is, right? Yeah. These 5-minute candles are your top wicks of the 15s and the 30s, and for me, I don't like having my whole GJ or AJ trade based on a 5-minute top wick. It just doesn't sit well right with me, because one little push up like that one there, you would have got fucking smacked, and then it would have continued down, so it's just the way I trade. So if you can find a way where you can get in and you're happy with that, then go for it. But for me, I'd rather just wait for the retracement. So
what's the reason why the GDP is like tanking now?
I think it's just I think it's just everything. I think all the markets are just getting a bit shafted over here. Just from the crypto probably is not helping this stay up, I think. Yeah, like already today, what's already today? minus 7% in fucking one day.
Yeah, and to think of how much GJ dropped, I mean, that's the yen gaining strength from somewhere, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, Bitcoin's retracing a little bit. People are like, yes, the bearish run's finished. It's like, oh my god. You got a closure below support. on the daily, you are fucked. You are so fucked.
Think about all the stops that got hit there.
Yeah, yeah, literally all right there. Look at that though. If that was GJ daily time frame, we'd be like, right, you know, the daily candles closed bearish. We should be continuing bearish here. If you take a look to the left hand side, where's the next zone?
All them 30k buyers got wiped out.
Yeah.
Everyone buying at 30k.
Yeah. Where's the next support? Oh, oh no. Oh no. Yep. 22,000 inbound.
I can see it.
I'm gonna buy all Sasha's NFTs for like.
Oh my god, yes, NFTs that you talked about will be worth nothing because it's on Solana. Have you seen Solana?
Solana dropped like 30%.
Yeah.
So NFTs are crying, man.
Yeah.
And Gary Vee saying, "Hold that shit."
Yeah. Wait, Solana. How the fuck? USD. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Imagine that going. Like I sold all my stock, all my crypto there. What a fucking G I am. What an absolute G. Look at that shit. Right resistance sell. Yeah, it went up a little bit more, but no one closed profits there. I can tell you that for a fact. No one closed profits. Because thing is though, people that just got into crypto don't get how like trading works. You know, look, how many new people are in crypto, right? And they'll go, oh, but no, it's breaking. It's broke. It's closed above this support. So it's going to continue, and I'm going to hold on. They'll never close. They'll never close. And obviously, we know in trading, you gotta close your profits, man. You gotta you gotta find a way to take some money out. Because if you don't take any money out, what's the fucking point? You know, it can go up 1,000%, but if you haven't closed anything and now it's down 10, you're down 10. Doesn't matter if it went up 1,000. You've got to have a strategy to close positions. You know, there's absolutely 0 point just holding it on forever. You got to be able to get out. That's fucking useless.
Hey Max, you know what I did? Crypto. I bought ADA down.
ADA down? What?
Yeah, down. I bought.
88.
No, I know ADA. Oh, you bought ADA. Okay, yeah. Nice.
But bought down, so that means it's gonna be a crash. So I'm in profit 80% right now.
Oh, you took a short on ADA. Yeah, you took a short on ADA at Milan.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice. Oh wow, up 8%. Fucking hell.
Like 5 days ago.
My friend's portfolio went from 110k to $12 in 5 days. What? Oh my god. I want to know what the because like there's some like car garages and stuff that have like, oh, you can pay in crypto. I wonder what they're doing now. I bet they've swiftly turned that off. Oh my god. Like you could buy it. You could. Yeah, I know.
Folks are going to be selling their houses, cars, just to recover. It's sad.
I know, but for me, I was speaking to my dad about it yesterday, and like, I'm starting to realize now, because my full job, right? My full job every day is risking, taking trades, all this kind of stuff. Outside of my job, I don't want much risk. I can't be asked to have investments and all this kind of stuff. It's worrying. So for me, I'm just going to buy as many fucking properties as I possibly can. Because then I've got the bricks and water. And yeah, it might go down in value, but who gives a fuck? You know, I've got the bricks and water. I can always put someone in it and they can pay me rent monthly. You know, for me, I think that's just I can't be asked to have all this fucking, oh, it's gone up now, it's gone down now, just on a screen. Like, I want physical objects that I can touch and go, that's mine. So for me, yeah, it's just a lot more stable, right? Yeah. Like this thing, like one guy on TikTok, he was a really good software designer, right? And he got paid, $500,000 a year. But what they did is they gave him in the shares. One of the guys was at Netflix, and he got like 200k salary and then 300k shares. He lost like 40% of them shares like last week because the Netflix are just dumping. And it's just like, oh, like you just lost fucking. He said he's lost a couple million because he did it for a while. Like, oh my god. Why people can put them?
They've got to ride the wave, right? They've got to hold. They've got to just take it.
Yeah. Do you remember oil went to minus $40 in 2020? Yes, and I wish I bought all the barrels. I was asking my dad, but at the time I just didn't really know how you could go about it. But goddamn, those oil futures were interesting. There's been some mad financial things in the past like 4 years. It's gonna be in the history books of what we've had. Like things going minus, crypto crashes. Like in like 100 years, they'll look back and go, "Oh my god, what the fuck was this? Absolutely horrendous. We need to get some stability in here." Probably is good, but not liquid. But yeah, but the liquid cash you get every single month from it is, you know, it's pretty good. So looking like gold is not wanting to continue down over here, holding it kind of nicely. So this is the first sort of signs now of kind of a little bit of a retracement, maybe for later on. So that's pretty good. I keep a lot in portable, high-value assets like gold, rare coins, Rolexes, diamonds. Yeah, that's true. That whole diamonds thing is a bit sus as well. Have you seen it? Like it's a bit mad. Let's take a look at this 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes reflipping. How much would the stops be? 18 pips. Because diamonds back in the day, you know, you had to get them from the ground, right? You had to get them from the ground, and you know, it took a lot of hard labor and stuff, and it was, you know, to go to hot countries and, you know, get people to do it and stuff like that. Whereas now they make them in labs. You can make them. So, but I think as a whole, the industry was like, you know what, let's just try and keep these still, you know, what's it called? Still prestigious for like weddings and shit, and they've just kept the price there. So people like owning diamond labs, like, oh my god, how much money they're making, because it's pretty cheap to make it. 30th minute reflipped. So if you got in here, I mean, I would not want to take a sell with that 50 minute like that, but anyway, it could just always still continue down, you know. What do you think is the best investment? Is it real estate or gold or others? I just put it in real estate, to be honest. It's just because if you think about it, as a whole, right? Real estate. What's the thing that's driving the prices up? Well, people, and you know, we are growing overall still for probably another like 10 years. So there's going to be more demand for houses. Overall, as time goes on, people are going to get richer. They're going to want second homes. You know, it's always going to eventually go up. Whereas, you know, these kind of things can be some big little blips, I suppose. I love times like this when everyone's panicking, means there's opportunity. For sure, yeah. Oh, yeah. Some big ass opportunities. Oh man, I wish this was our session. See, like this here is where I thrive, like there, because I would have got a closure there. I would have got the closure there. But this I just don't like. It's just scary.
It's clean. It's giving us traffic. The bars are faster.
Yeah. Do you have real estate already? Yes. But I've got 10 pips there. Oh my god. Anywhere you go, just take a trade, bro. Just press that buy or sell on any of them. Take a buy on gold, probably. Let's take a look at the 15 minute now. Yeah, coming back in that zone. But as I say, it's right next to that 4 hour and daily. So it's just in a not nice area. So you got to chill out. Buy the rumors, sell the news. Exactly. Bitcoin just valued 3K in 1 hour movement. What? What? Does 10 Pips Daily have a YouTube channel? No, I don't think so. I think he's just based on Instagram. Gold buys coming to fill up that zone. Well, yeah, I mean, gold buys would be nice above 1857. The daily time frame now flipping. Rejected the lows right at the level where I wanted to take sells, so it's kind of nice. Yeah, I mean, gold buys could be nice to 1857. The only issue is this zone is pretty nasty. So look at the hourly. Hourly's reflipped. 4 minutes left. Interesting. Look at the lower time frame. 5 minute goes bearish again on AJ. Oof. Yeah, I don't like it when these candles do this kind of thing. No good. Oh, if I just left that GJ trade on. Oh. Thing is, you can't do anything about it. You just move on. It'll be nice. Move on till later on. Hopefully we can see something over here. The good thing with Forex is you can sell and buy as well, so you don't really care. Like, it's when things are dumping, you go, yes, I can make some money from this. Daniel Savage took 3 trades and all lost. No way. Well, it's because Daniel is, and I bet you what the trades he did. He tried to take buys on GJ, didn't he? He always tries to find the low, and finding the low. How do you wait? Are you in his? Are you in his chat? Wait, is he on YouTube? Oh my god, I'm gonna see this shit.
Yeah, but you see, he also uses those EMAs. I mean,
did he trade it today? Or is it just in a live group? Oh shit, this is finished. 1 second. Yeah. 3 trades, all losses. It was in his group. Oh, what's the chat saying? Oh no, no, no. 3 L's. Oh, this is what I'm saying. Well, no, I mean, I'm in the right direction at least, but Daniel will be trying to take buys. I know for a fact.
How can it take buys when the market is so bearish?
Well, he does it a lot. I talked about it last week.
I know.
He'll get to a support I think's gonna hold and takes the buys, and it's like oof. And then the last one will work, and it'll work like 40, 30 pips. And it's like, yeah, you've got some of your money back.
Is you can't even use a bullish flip, and he's a flip trader.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so bearish in front of you. I mean, and he's definitely, like I agree, he's definitely taking buys. You can't use a flip. His EMAs are heading down. So I mean, what's his confidence to taking buys?
Yeah. Let's take a look over here. I told you. Yeah. 472. Oh, 27 pip stop. 472. Let's take a look where this is.
So you was hoping for that support to hold and then break the current high. It's crazy, man. Such a minor support.
Told you about that guy. Don't like him. $2.
Check Josh's stream, okay?
Max, what's his tactic?
Oh my god, this guy just sent me all of them.
Why is he buying?
He's hoping for support to hold.
Wait, is he saying holy fuck there because it's just smacked his stops?
No, I meant what is his strategy for buying? Just hoping or?
Yeah, hoping for a support.
Yeah. So hope.
Yes, hope, Milan.
Fuck.
He's taking the other end of the trades on nations.
Yeah.
You can't be buying in this market. It's stupidity.
Yeah. So there we go, guys. So this day, you know, if you want to be aggressive, you can do it. So next time this comes around, bro, I'm gonna tell you what. I'll give you a deal. Next time GJ's pumping, every single lower wick we break, I'm gonna sell every fucking time. But for me, you know, the way I like to trade, I like a closure below. I like the confirmation. And I know this was a confirmation, but damn, that top wick was just scaring me. I should have held it on, really. But, you know, I was just doing my comfort levels, and I didn't want to hold it on too much. Also, for the fact that I didn't call the signal for everyone and stuff, it was just like, I don't really want to be in this. Like, I didn't call it for people on YouTube, didn't give a nice sell stop and stuff, so, yeah.
Max, that's not wrong.
That's not what?
It's not wrong.
Yeah.
GG's weekends.
Yeah.
We have to be very cautious on our capital.
Exactly. So, oh, look at the 15 minutes. This still could be, let's take a look at the hourly. Hourly still goes bearish, so I'm going to give it another 15 or 30 minutes for this sells below. We'll see. If it comes back above and breaks that high, I'm going to leave it. Yeah, exactly, Joel. This London was rare. The amount of news at 7 AM did bring a lot of volume. It usually isn't like this. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so people who are new to streaming, to YouTube and new to trading, don't worry. These days are not normally what happens. Normally, this day would go like this, okay? So this candle would close below like this. This candle would make a nice top wick here in the first 2 or 3 minutes. The top wick would be worth about 10 pips. I'd take the sell here and I'd hold the whole thing on. The issue you have right now is the stop loss is so small, but it is still 10 pips because the candles are so big and it's just very much impulsive and just hoping it drives. But yeah. Max, you are shaking. No, I like wiggling my foot. I do this. I just like. When you've got ADHD, bro, you gotta do something about it. Oh, 50-minute potentially breaking previous low. How much would stops be in the current? Oh, wow. Very big. Very big. PPI this afternoon won't move the markets as much as CPI though. Yeah, exactly. It shakes the camera. Sorry, I'll stop it then. What kind of balls to buy at that? Some sweaty ass balls. That's what I'd say. I had sweaty balls taking a sell. Like, so taking a buy, god damn, we gotta have some absolutely dripping balls. Oh my god.
I need those 30 lots. So you take 30 lots times 74 pips. He's fucking mad.
Oh, guys, have you seen the Astro FX? That guy is fucked up. You can tell. If you take a look at his Instagram now, he's literally doing what I'm doing. But my guy had like a fucking Mayfair thing, like he was milking it. But I think he got exposed, and now like they're all like, look at this shit. It's on his.
Guy exposed him hard, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Like
Is Astro FX in London?
Well, they used to have an office, but they closed it down because they wanted to do it online. It's like, no, it's because you couldn't afford the rent, mate. Let's take a look. So look, can you see? Look what he's doing now. Before, oh my god, 1 second over here. Normally he would post about his Lambo or his fucking Rolls Royce, but can you see now he's just doing people's trade, students' profits. Like, this is back to like the fucking old days he did. It's like, bro, this is so like, you can tell they fucked it. Like, look at this shit. Why'd you?
Tory exposed him and ruined him.
Yeah, proper ruined him.
Tory showed everything.
Well, it's because it's like, it's $5 to join. Like, what the fuck? Imagine all 140 people you just gave me five grand to join. What the fuck?
Mark, that's a scam.
How much money is that?
I've been there like, Max, that's a scam. I've been there like a year ago.
You pay for a funded account with them, but your drawdown is what you actually paid for the account.
Yeah.
So basically, it's a complete and utter scam.
So I would have made 700 grand if I had, if I had a massive marketing budget and I used, my dad's fucking cars and I made it a proper, like, the trading den. I'll rent out a place in, fucking Newcastle and make that 700 grand I would have made. Like, you know what I mean? It's very scammy and I fucking hate that shit. Ridiculous.
Max,
$5 grand. It's fucking ridiculous.
Max, sorry.
Yeah?
That's a scam. I've been there like a year ago.
Really?
Yeah, that's a scam. For sure. I've been there. Trust me, I try everybody. That's a scam.
Yeah. It's funny as well because this Aman guy, he trades, but my guy's using 20 lots and he's got fucking all this shit. It's like Raja pops 100 lots. Like, he's just levels above you. Raj and Ted, the ones who've been sitting on stream and you guys are telling them they're fucking pussies, and now all on 100, 200 lots, and now you're on 20? Oh my god. They're still going down, holy shit. It's a bit sus. Please, no drama, no hate. I will unsubscribe. No, I'm just giving people. I'm giving my viewers some insight into Astro. If you think Astro is good, then fair enough, unsubscribe. I would be really, really, really upset if one of my 5,600 people subscribe. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be really, really upset. So don't unsubscribe. Raja puts a 100 lot, but still drives a Toyota. Exactly. Exactly.
Raja's cruising around in a Rolls Royce right now.
Yeah, in Dubai. Yeah, he's vibing. He's vibing. I love that. I quite like his little his thing there. He kind of, you know, he goes into like what's it called? He goes into Pakistan and it's like, yeah, kind of like shithole vibes. But then he treats himself like every 3 weeks to Dubai, but he only stays there for a while, like a little while, and then comes back. It's kind of cool. That Pakistan probably makes him humble, and then, you know, he goes and has a bit of fun in Dubai when he feels good, and then comes back to real life. It's probably really good for his trading because he's surrounded by poverty, and he knows that, you know, the thing he's doing is serious, and, you know, he's doing really well in it, and feeling positive about it, and the positive impact he can do in the place. It's probably very rewarding doing it there. Yeah, he did. Pajero, yeah. Can you recommend Market Fluidity for Raja? I can't recommend it because I've never done it and I don't know what's in it, but I'm assuming it's great. Go check it out. I'm assuming there's some reviews somewhere, or people probably in the chat have probably had it. Who's had Market Fluidity in the YouTube chat?
Milan will have done.
Yeah, Milan's had every course in the fucking whole Forex industry.
Actually, I did.
Oh my god, Milan. Holy fuck.
Yeah, just ask me who is a scammer, who is...
Yeah, who's a scammer, who isn't. Milan's literally had every single fucking trader in the whole box.
Yeah. I tried crypto, I tried binary options, Forex, everything. Except the stocks.
For sure, exactly. Building it up early. Yeah, well, I mean, it sounds stupid, but what Raja could be in Pakistan is like the kind of like Rockefeller of like New York in like 10 years time. If he owns like fucking half the whole place, and then the growth starts coming, he's probably seen the growth map of like what they're gonna do and stuff, and you know they're just getting in early, right? So Milan, what was Market Fluidity like? Do you like it or what?
Say again.
So you've done Market Fluidity. People asking, what should they do it? Is it good? Do you like it or what?
I like your strategy the most. I've been trading for like, you know, maybe 2 years.
Yeah, but what I mean as a course thing, like what's in it? Do you get like, can you talk to him like one-to-one? Can you talk to other people in there? Do you get signals? Do you like, what's the crack? Like what? Because like, I have no idea what happens in there.
In what group? Sorry, I didn't understand.
Market Fluidity.
I don't know about them.
You don't know about that?
No.
I think you get access to all the Slack with everyone else in it with all of that, and it's every day.
Yeah.
He had so many groups. I can't remember which one it is.
Oh my god, my lad. GJ is going to retrace. I hope so for later on. And then what will happen is then this will be the support, and then I'll write it back in the support when we get down there. So
I tried so many groups. You be with so many people, and at the end, the most of the times, it's the best to learn yourself.
Exactly.
That's it.
I could have told you that at the start.
Fuck the groups. Fuck the signal.
I could have told you that at the start, man.
That's it.
Well, because like learning from one person, learning from one person is not, you know, the best thing to do because everyone's different, right? You got to kind of use your own method as well, right?
Yeah, so many distractions, you know.
Yeah.
And also fuck the indicators for sure.
Yeah.
Another key thing is learning the same concept is important. If we go with we are working with price action, okay, we have to sit with price action. Otherwise, if we go with indicator based, that is going to be a mess.
Very true.
My opinion, if I can put in my 2 cents, is when you're starting out in the trading industry, there are a million strategies, a million people trying to teach a million different things, and I think the point is to find where you're comfortable at, and once you find that comfortable zone, that's where you kind of expand on that.
Yeah, for sure.
And so what Milan, I mean, he tried so many things. He found himself with your strategy, with price action, and now he's just developing that even more. Because when I just started getting into it, I was like, oh, this strategy looks amazing. This one is fabulous. And then you get lost. And so much information, you just get lost in all of it.
Yeah.
So it's a little hard to try to find yourself in a zone, in basically a strategy zone. But when you do find yourself, then you're good.
Yeah, for sure. I think.
And also risk management. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
I know that's a cliche, but it is for real.
Well, that's the thing that you can control, right? It's the only thing you can really control. So. Very big advocate of it. Yeah. Some people don't risk manage.
That was very well said, Max. That is the only thing you can control is risk management.
Exactly.
That is amazing.
That is fabulous with Max.
Yeah.
That is fabulous.
Exactly. Well, it is. You know, I used to read it like, you know, the thing that I used to read was like, why can't I make a robot like to do this? And then you look through and how does it work? So, you know, what's the things that we are good at? Well, you know, we are good at identifying zones to the left, seeing if it's, you know, clear enough zone. We are also good at risk management. So the one thing that a bot can do is the emotion side. So a bot doesn't give a shit if it's just taking a losing trade. A bot doesn't care if it's just missed a trade. A bot doesn't care if a trade has just hit your, you know, just full stop loss, but the next trade is looking good. It'll just enter again. It doesn't care, right? No emotions aside. So that's the thing that we want to take from a robot. The things that the robot can't do, which means that we can't physically use a bot as a whole, and why these EAs don't really work, is because they can't read the charts. Okay, they can't read the charts, whereas we can. So we can look at the higher timers, we can look at all the time frames. So the thing that I'm trying to teach is for people to trade like a robot with the emotion side, but using your human instinct of the zones, the price action, where price is going to go, and then when, you know, price is going not in your favor, you can risk manage, which a bot can't do. Okay.
Exactly. I have a robot also, Max.
Yeah, and I fucking bet you do.
I paid like $500, I think.
Yeah. $500. Oh my god.
Yeah. I paid like a year ago also. I paid everything.
You know, just for me.
They borrow people's money. They borrow people's money also.
For me with it, like, if the bot was that good, we'd know about it by now, because everyone would be a fucking millionaire and would be sitting here not trading, right? Because that has not happened. Instead, you're looking at streamers who have, like, you know, 4,000 views a day. You know, you have Control, you have Raja. They're clearly the ones that can trade. And the bots aren't there yet, you know, because they would be here. I'd know about them. Trust me. If I know a bot that's fucking working 100% every time someone's got a year of it doing it, it's always a bot that's worked for like a month. It's like, I don't give a fuck about 1 month. You need to do it for a year at least. You know, there's always one good month, you know.
It's with the volume.
Oh my god, it's just still coming. Yeah, fucking relax, man. Just chill out.
Max, do you know that we all have like a semi-bot with us? Everybody does. Magic keys.
That's true.
If you set it up properly, you just need to press open trade, and it can do everything instead of you. Like, you can get out of the emotions for closing 70-80% at 10 pips or even
That's
full.
true. Yeah, you just set it and let it do it for sure.
You can set it up. Yeah.
But the issue is that you are setting it up, so there's still emotions because you're still inputting, right? It has to be completely autonomous to be completely.
No, that's why I said semi-bot.
Yeah, exactly. It'll only be a full one if it worked like that. 50-minute closed, very, very nice. I mean,
GG broke the daily also. Fuck.
What's the stop right now? 10 pips. I mean, let's look at the city. I mean, it's a nice top wick if you want to try and risk it, but I just don't know if I want it. It's Milan
It's still nice for daily. He has some rooms for daily.
Yeah.
Just the entry is so bad it's so hard to find.
Yeah, let's take a look at the 5-minute. Well, if it flips this, it's good, but you know the stops are gonna be, 10 pips. So it's flipping right now. See if it can continue to this next little support over here. Squeeze it out. Do. Go on, AJ. Get to that edge. To be fair, it pretty much did, didn't it? Damn, GJ, check GPS bot. Ooh, a new bot. GPS. What do you think about Rock FX? Never heard of him. Never heard of him or her or whoever it is. Wait, what, Max? This huge breakout is because it has been raining for the past 2 weeks. Exactly. And also just the things that are going on in the world right now. It's just a little bit mad. I saw GJ during Asian at 159.140. Put stops in 10 pips profit, which got tapped and then it fell to my TP, which was 114 pips. Do you prefer to put stops at break even or in profit? Did you put your stops at break even in like the candle, just in the middle of a candle, or was it on the top wick of a 15, or what was it? What was it like? Give me a bit more information, and then I can help you there. Well, I could just check actually. Where was it? 159.140. 140. What the fuck? Here? Looks like it was there. I don't know why he kind of got in there. Oh no, it might be down here. Sorry. It might be here. It might be here. Yeah, you have to tell me where you did it. I can't really see. So, is GJ still like below this whole level? 1 second. Is it below my support now? Yeah, it is. How big's that stop? 24 pips. AJ1 is 10 pips though. AJ1 is 10 pips. Should I risk it to keep on and filling that wick to the low? Let's look at the 5 minutes. A minute left of this candle. Yeah, I might try and take this sell. I'd advise not doing this though. I'm not gonna put this as a signal, I don't think. Let's take a look on the left hand side 1 second. Let me just see this 15-minute. So, I mean, this is the next resistance, but the next support is there at 181. The 15-minute has made a nice top wick now. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get into a sell stop over here. But I advise, if you've already taken some losses or whatever, do not take this. I'm waiting for the top wick here and then break of the lows. Sorry, on the flip of the candle. because now it's closed below the zone for me and should potentially continue down. I'm gonna put it on, yeah, because what's happening here is it's hovering. I'm liking like it's chilling there. Why no signal? No, I have now. I'll put it on now. I didn't have time to write it, but now I do. So yeah, the top wick here is nice. The stop would be 10 pips to fill that wick and then to continue down. So we will see. AJ at 4 hour support? Hell no. 4 hour support's down here. 88,145. For me, this has got 9 minutes left. Perfect amount of time now to flip. So this is one where it's actually chilling about, which is good for me. So that's why I'm looking at it. So we'll see. AJ is loitering. Yeah, but that's good because also GJ should flip here. AJ should also flip. And we should get a nice little drive down. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna trade over here. Look at the 5 minutes. 5 minutes breaking lower the previous. I sent you my chart in Discord. Nice. Take a look at it in a second. Do do do. Yeah, I'll take a look at your chart in a sec, my man. 5 minutes needs to break that low. Come on, bitch. So now, because it has made the top a top wick and it's actually been reasonable for me, it's okay. So we'll see. Stop loss to break even is going to be pretty quick as well. As I say, if you've already taken a loss, I'd advise not taking this trade because we're at the end of this. Give me the push, bitch. Probably at that wick, I'd put stop loss to break even.
Let's go, Maxi. Let's go, Maxi.
I fucking hate these trades, man.
Just have to believe it.
We need your Michael Jackson music.
I know. NY will have it. Yeah, man. I fucking hate these trades. Why did I take that? 5 minutes reflipping. I may just manage my risk here. The one time I want to get into a sell. Oh my god. Typical 8. Close it. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna let it hit over here. Do do do. Yeah, 5 minutes gonna close back above. Shit. 20 seconds left for this closure. And there we go. So we'll see. Still wanting it. How long left for this 15-minute candle? Still 4 minutes left. We'll see. Do 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 do. Next time gonna be better. Yeah, man. I should have just left this day, to be honest with you. I hate the sells. I hate the sells when I want to take them. What's your favorite time frame? I'd probably say 15. A lot of moves at 15. I'd take. Yeah. How did you manage to trade like this? This is what I'm saying. You can't with these trades on this thing. You just can't. There's no way. I mean, you could on the 5 minutes here if you want to get out, but yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm out. Beautiful. Okay, so beautiful. Nice little trade over here. On AJ left, don't you consider the support? Well, no, because we're going to continue that down to the 30 minutes. So if you take a look on the left-hand side, the 30-minute support's right here at 144. So yeah, I told you it was a risky trade, but it's just the the issue is you just got to wait for a retracement. So later on, I'm just going to wait for a retracement as I wanted to at the start. We should simulate these conditions. Well, the thing is, right, with these market conditions, you just got to hope and buy the low. I literally just did it, and it doesn't work out. So this is why I normally say just leave it. But nice, Joey. Yeah. Six pips now by you've re-entered. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look then at gold. Still in the range, and yeah, GJ and AJ now. I am waiting for a retracement and a half. Oh my god. I just didn't take it. That's good, Manish. Yeah, I'm glad you didn't take it. I did say it was risky, so but I wanted to show you. This is a good example. I wanted to show you that these sells here, even though they look nice all the time, it doesn't work out all the time. And this is a prime example. This is why for me, I just want to wait for a retracement to form. So yeah, I did nothing and made money because USD is on a huge run. Nice. Is it paper you need to buy? You need to buy like Daniel. Taking another loss, third loss this week. Well, we've taken 3 wins, so 10 pips it was. 10 pips. 10 pepperoonies. Okay, so gold is coming back up over here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, hourly 4 hour. It's still looking nasty. I am 400 to pass my verification. I want to enter just to try and make it, but I know I'm gonna lose. We'll just wait until the market conditions get better. This is just way too bearish. It's a lot of wicks everywhere. Just wait until it gets better, like the last 2 weeks, where you're just chilling. Savage called another buy. Oh my god. 15-minute hasn't made the lower wick yet. Is that the 30-minute as well? No, not the 30-minute. 30 minutes closing in a minute's time. Very nice. Thanks for all the support, Max. I appreciate it. No bother, man. I mean, I'm teaching it for me. I'm upset that I took that, to be honest with you, because the fact that I've literally said it all morning. I fucking hate the sells because it's just a pain in the ass. But yeah, what can you do about it? I think that was nice because the top wick was nice. The top wick was nice. Okay, GJ still coming up, closing first bullish 15 closures since 7:30. Wow. Very, very nice. Do you prefer entries at flip or break of the current candle lows? Current candle lows, but the issue you have with these fucking massive candles is the stops are way too big on the previous lows. So that's the issue. So yeah. Max, check out my zone valid. I thought it was going to come to the next support, but yeah. Yeah, break of the lows is much easier, I'd say, for sure. Break of the lows, much easier. Would have worked 10 times over on every previous candle. Exactly. But that's the thing, man. It's just so... I mean, I wish I just held that GJ, but anyway. It's heaps and roundabouts. It's absolutely nothing for me. I mean, let's take a look. So, this week I've taken 6 trades, 3 Ws, 3 Ls. The Ls are smaller than the Ws, so... and gold was half risk as well. So I'm still, pretty much break even for the week. So these things don't matter to me. I'm not asked. As long as you're not losing like fucking 5-10%, you're good. For me, yesterday I still up a 30-minute break low. It hit me, went 2 pips, and it went up. Yeah, lost 1%. Yeah, that's the thing, man. You just don't know when it's gonna stop. For me, that was a nice top wick. Finally, a top wick that actually took its time and then break of the lows. Hey guys, why is the loss not showing on screen? It will be. 1 second. There you go. AJ. There you go. I sold gold yesterday. Ooh, nice. Was this sell an example of FOMO? Probably. I wanted... Not actually no, because this is the final candle. I was following the trend. The final candle I made a nice top wick and I actually had enough time to get in on the flip. It's happened correct every single other time, so no.
Where are you looking to get a retracement to?
It depends. It literally whenever. I mean, it could be here. It could be here. It could be here. On AJ, so it's always where price has already like had resistance before. So for me here, it'd probably be or support. Sorry, so like there, maybe there. So yeah, yeah. See you later, man. See you later. Let's take a look then. Anything else? Nah, there's nothing else. So yeah, a bit of a shame, little loss there, but I wanted to take the final trade, and to be honest with you, it's a good thing to show, if it's already pushed down, just fucking leave it, man. Wait for the retracement. I was raving about it all session, and I took that stupid trade. But anyway, sometimes you do that. 1 loss, so that's good. My GJ was, minus 1 pip, so it was 2 losses really. But you still trade NY? Yeah, I'm still gonna trade NY. Only taking 1 L, so I'm good. Yeah, exactly. I'm happy that I managed risk. Exactly. Managing risk. Exactly. Beautiful. But yeah, in these candles, you can't really manage risk. They just launch. So you just, you got to just hope it pushes. But yeah, I'm going to leave off here, guys. Thank you very much, Zoom. I'll see you guys later on at around about 12 o'clock. Hopefully the retracements would have happened then. And we're going to take some nice trades. And if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow on YouTube. And yeah, 1 second. Yeah, see you later, guys. Thank you very much, man. Peace out. I'll see you guys later on. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. Peace out on YouTube. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys.